Welcome back, guys. Yesterday we dropped the tree, drug it in, cut it, and milled out some siding for the pump house. I think we have enough siding to get the pump house sided in, and then we'll have to build a door. So let's get this siding put up on that pump house. So get this back wall sided first, and then we'll work on the sides. Measure from the top. This is kind of at an angle. I'm going to go from right about here. So we're putting these up. They're still green. We just cut them yesterday. Even though the tree was dead, it was still green. It wasn't dried out, hadn't dried out yet. So we're putting these up, butted up next to each other as tight as we can. That way, when they dry, it'll leave a little tiny bit of a gap. And as the seasons go past, it'll expand and contract and be fine. We only put one screw in each spot so that when it dries, it doesn't leave a crack in the middle. It doesn't stretch and try and stretch against those screws. A piece of batten will go up over this crack to seal it. So we've got the back side done, starting on this side. Got the angle of the roof. Get your speed square. And if you know how to use one of these, it's got the angles down the side. You put it on one side of the top or the bottom, depending on how you're going to find your angle, and you tilt it to where your other board lines up. Actually, you tilt it with this corner to where your other board lines up with these degrees, these angles, and it tells you what angle to cut at. So our 17 degree is right here. We've got to measure each one of these going up, how long they need to be. So it's going to take a little bit of time, but we'll get it done here pretty quick. The good thing is the other side is the same, so we can get two boards at the same time. So the walls are done. Start working on the roof. We'll run these planks perpendicular to these beams. That way there's plenty of support if we have to get up there. We've also got metal roofing that's going to go on top of that to sheet the rain off and the snow off the back side of the pump house so it's not in the way of the door. Board. What do we have? Two? Alright, should be alright.
Yeah. More than enough.
Check out these knots. I don't know if they're full of sap. There's 3 of them, and they're glowing red from the sun. You see that the branches are kind of blowing in front of them.
More.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Those are pretty
More on the
bright.
side.
It must be sap.
It's got to be sap.
Let me see what it feels like.
I've never seen that before.
Feels a little sticky, a little bit. Here's another one
But there's other knots, like this one's
that are full of wood.
sort of glowing, but these knots are not glowing.
Very interesting.
So we've got 3 walls done, and the roof's done. We haven't got the batten milled out yet for the walls, for the outside. We'll do that at a later date and put that on, preferably before it rains, hopefully, fingers crossed. If you like what you're seeing here, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Smash that like button, leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, go make something. We're gonna run the roof beams perpendicular. We're gonna run the roof beams.
Boards?
Roof boards.
One more time. I'll try not to laugh while I jiggle the thing.